AP Statistics is getting a major makeover. The College Board has officially announced a redesigned AP Statistics course and exam framework starting in the 2026 to 2027 school year. And beginning with the May 2027 exam, AP Statistics will become fully digital through the Blue Book platform. Now here is the important part. This is not just a format change, it is a philosophy change. For years, many students approached AP Statistics like a traditional math class. Memorize formulas, learn calculator tricks, plug numbers into the right equation, get the answer, get the points. But the new AP Statistics is moving much closer to how statistics is actually taught in college. According to the College Board, the redesigned course emphasizes the full statistical problem, solving process, ask questions, collect data, analyze data, interpret results. In other words, the exam is no longer asking, can you calculate this? It is asking, can you use data to answer a real-world question? That is a huge shift. The new framework places much greater emphasis on data exploration, sampling methods, experimental design, probability, simulation, and statistical reasoning. Some of the more technical topics have been reduced or removed, while data interpretation and statistical thinking are becoming even more important. Another big change, the prerequisite has been lowered. Students will no longer need to complete a second year of algebra before taking AP Statistics. Completing 1 year of algebra is now considered sufficient preparation. That means more students may start statistics earlier in high school. The exam structure is changing too. Multiple choice questions will increase from 40 to 42 questions, but each question will now have only 4 answer choices instead of 5. Free response questions will decrease from 6 to 4. At first glance, that sounds easier, but do not be fooled. Each free response question now carries significantly more weight, meaning students will need stronger conceptual understanding and clearer explanations. The College Board is also introducing new emphasis areas focused on probability and random variables, as well as regression analysis in real-world contexts. So what does this mean for students preparing for AP Stats? 3 things. First, stop memorizing formulas and start understanding concepts. Second, practice explaining statistical conclusions in complete sentences. And third, spend more time working with real data and real-world scenarios. Because AP Statistics is becoming less like a traditional math class and more like an introduction to data science, research, and evidence-based decision-making. And honestly, that is exactly where the world is heading. If you want our full breakdown of the new AP Statistics framework and what students should do to prepare, comment stats below, and we will send it to you.